Hi there, Ryan Kennedy with Transwest Trailers. We're just getting our YouTube channel started. We're going to go over a 2023 Dorsey FB48 today. You know, we're getting this started. Gonna take you off here. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, please give us a comment. We'd like to incorporate some feedback into these videos. So Transwest Trailers, been selling trailers since 1995. Started in Commerce City. We moved to this location in Brighton, Colorado in November of 2014. We're a proud Dorsey dealer. Dorsey started in Elba, Alabama in 1910. They're still built in Elba. And like I mentioned, this is a 2023 Dorsey FB48 flatbed. It's an all steel flatbed. It's 48 feet long, 102 inches wide. I'm gonna go over some features of this trailer today. We'll start right here in the front of it. Of course, have your glad hands and 7-way. You'll notice a second 7-way. This is an ISO 7-way, it's called. What this is for on this particular trailer is to serve as a dump valve. You can wire an in-cab switch to your truck to dump the airbags on the trailer. This is a pretty awesome feature because here in Colorado, a lot of mag on the roads in the winter time. So you're eliminating an external valve that might get gummed up by mag chloride or ice. Just run the dump valve right off the in-cab switch. So pretty unique feature there. Around here, Dorsey flatbeds come standard with 12 sliding winches. Sliding winches are to strap down your load, obviously. On the other side, I'll show you the winch strap, it's called. As we move along, FB48s have a 2-speed Jost landing gear. So we move back here to the suspension. We order these on an air ride suspension. You can see it's a 10-foot 2-inch spread axle. That's our stock spec. The reason we do that is a spread axle, a lot of states will give you a little extra axle weight opposed to a closed tandem. As you can see, we have a all aluminum 60-inch toolbox in between the spread axle. Got a cam lock open. Nice to store your straps, your chains, or tarps in there. Moving around to the back here, got dock bumpers, protect the rear end of that trailer. One really unique thing about Dorsey flatbeds, if you look at this main frame right here, it's a one-piece construction, meaning there's no weld seam in it anywhere. It really strengthens a trailer, you know, on any trailer, be it a flatbed, a drop deck, a lowboy. The weakest part's always going to be at a weld. So if you can eliminate a seam weld, it's going to strengthen the trailer quite a bit. This trailer is obviously an all-steel frame. It does have Apatong decking on the top there. If you have any questions, comments, please get a hold of me. Here's my contact info. And we look forward to you tuning into our next one. Thanks.